Today in this video I show you how to upload pre-recorded audio on Instagram. For this, you have to screen record the audio or song you want to upload on Instagram. Open your song. Now start recording your screen while playing music or audio. After having the screen recording of your audio or song, you have to open Instagram. Click on plus icon, select reel, and then find the photo or video. After adding photo or video, click on edit video. Now slide this and click on import audio. Select the screen recording with audio or song. Select the part you want to play. Click on done. Now click on this arrow and upload this with pre-recorded audio. So this is how you can upload pre-recorded audio on Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.